video, we'll explain 9 metrics you should track to effectively monitor your ASO performance. For most app businesses, the ultimate goal of ASO is to increase organic downloads. Downloads are a middle of funnel KPI that occur somewhere between someone seeing your app and them actually using it. Surprisingly, it's not that straightforward to measure organic downloads in App Store Connect or on the Google Play console. On Apple, you can view downloads by source. However, Apple only segments downloads by App Store Search, App Store Browse, App Referrer, Web Referrer, and App Clips. App Store Search includes downloads both from organic search results and paid search ads. So if you are running paid search ads campaigns, it isn't easy to distinguish downloads from your organic efforts versus your paid ads. Google segments downloads into Search, Explore, and Third Party. The Search and Explore channels both contain organic and paid downloads. There are a few statistical models available to help you isolate organic downloads. There are also a variety of other metrics and KPIs that can help you measure your ASO success. Some of these metrics are available in the Apple and Google consoles, but others are unique KPIs developed by AppTweak. Let's start by looking at the KPIs that will help you measure your app's uplift in visibility. To measure your app's visibility, the core metrics to look at are impressions on the App Store and store listing visitors on Google Play. Apple defines impressions as the number of times your app was viewed in the featured, categories, top charts, and search sections of the App Store, including product page views. Google, on the other hand, doesn't report on impressions. To measure visibility, you should report on store listing visitors instead. Google defines store listing visitors as the number of users that visited your store listing who didn't already have your app installed on any of their devices. Browse impressions or visitors will increase if your app gets featured. Search impressions or visitors will increase when your app or game ranks higher on a wider variety of keywords thanks to excellent keyword optimization. The third metric to report on is your visibility score. So because neither Apple nor Google segment organic impressions or downloads from paid, only reporting on their metrics won't reveal the true impact of your ASO effort. AppTweak has developed several features and metrics that help ASO experts combat this and effectively isolate the impact of their keyword optimization efforts. We explain these in detail in Chapter 2, but it's important for us to now look back at the visibility score again as we highlight all the key metrics you should include in your ASO reports. The visibility score is a metric that helps you understand how visible your app is in keyword search results compared to your competitors. The more keywords you rank on and the higher the app ranking for those specific keywords, the higher the visibility score will be. In this example, Coursera is clearly more visible on the selected keywords compared to its competitor Udemy. Its visibility also increased after a metadata update, indicating that Coursera managed to rank higher for high-volume keywords. The visibility score is a great KPI to understand whether your keyword efforts are paying off and evaluate if you're gaining visibility in search results in comparison to your competitors. AppTweak goes one step further and allows you to estimate the number of organic installs that each keyword drives to an app. In this example, Dream by Wombo gained 37 daily organic installs after its rankings increased for the keyword AI Painter. Our organic keyword installs metric is a very unique KPI that will help you evaluate the true impact of your keyword efforts. So, optimizing for visibility is clearly important, but it's not enough to stop once you reach your visibility goals. Let's now move on to some of the main KPIs you can use to measure the success of your conversion optimization efforts. Are you successfully optimizing your app page to make it more attractive and encourage more users to download your app? To answer this question, you need to monitor your app's conversion rate. Conversion rate is typically calculated by dividing downloads by impressions. Remember that Apple and Google define impressions differently. Apple reports on true impressions, or the number of times your app was seen across the store. Google, on the other hand, reports on page views. Therefore, conversion rates on the App Store are defined as app units over unique impressions. Conversion rates on Google Play are store listing visitors over acquisitions. As a result, conversion rates on the Play Store are typically much higher than on the App Store. This is because, with Google only accounting for people who've actually visited the app page, these users have already shown an interest in learning more about their app. Other metrics that ASO experts need to keep an eye on to monitor app health and performance include reviews and ratings. Reviews and ratings are the key indicators of your app's health. They're visible in the search results on both the App Store and Google Play, and therefore influence users heavily when they make the decision to download your app. Few reviews and low ratings might discourage users from downloading your app and will lead to lower conversion rates. Therefore, the number of ratings and reviews, as well as your rating score, are important KPIs to track. Metric number 7 to track is active users. While downloads are a key performance indicator for ASO, active users is the true KPI to measure your app's success. There's no doubt that users who play more and engage with the app for a longer time are more valuable than those who just try it and leave. Therefore, active users is an important KPI to effectively measure the impact of any acquisition strategy. Next, you need to keep tabs on your re-downloads for the App Store or returning users for Google Play. Thanks to new native store marketing features like in-app events or live ops, ASO experts are often tasked with re-engaging lapsed users. To monitor the impact of these efforts, it's interesting to split downloads by type and also look at re-downloads for Apple or returning users for Google. Finally, retention rate is yet another important user engagement metric that highlights the way users interact with your app. Solid ASO efforts tend to drive more engaged users with higher retention rates compared to alternative paid methods. There's no one KPI in ASO that can guarantee your app's success. It's important to consider all relevant KPIs together and look at the bigger picture to build a robust ASO strategy.